Hi friends, it's me Emma from Let's Play Emma's Way, and today we got this cutie Stix. Let's play Emma's Way. Thank you, Maya Toys, for giving me this cutie bracelet strip. I can't wait to see. I can make 2 bracelets with each bag. Since I have 2 bags, I can make 4 bracelets for my friends at school. Let's get opening. First, I'm going to do is the cutie Stix. And its face is on each one. That one's called Pick'n, and it's apple. The next one is a cute owl. We got another one that's a poop face. It's called Smelling. I'm thinking that this is Rainbow. Jojo Rainbow. That one's called Gaga. These are my 5 cutie Stix that I'm going to use to make my bracelets. These are the 2 cords we're going to use to make my bracelet. We got these 4 mighty bees. We got these 2 cutie Stix. And we got flutter. And we got my favorite, an avocado cutie. And we got these to hold our beads in place and to untouch and untouch. Now let's get started. Okay, and now we're gonna rip these off. They're ripped off. We're gonna rip these off, you see, one by one, and we're gonna start ripping them off so we can get creative. Let's get ripping. Okay, now let's get the smiley faces. I did the rainbows, the poops, the eyes. Now I'm gonna do the smiley faces. This rip easily. You can rip them. Okay, we put this on. We just have to double knot. And I made piles so it's easy. And now I'm gonna get started to do this. Okay. They look really cute. Like when you put them on. That. Now it's time for the makeup bead. I'm gonna put one that says Cutie Stix first. So I'm going to do the same order first so it looks identical and cool. This is it. This is our first bracelet we went through. I'm going to make the same exact one and check. It's going to have a butterfly. Thank you, Mary Toys. These are so super cute. Now let's get started on the next one. Now I'm going to put the butterfly on. I finally did it! Now I just have to put the clasp on. Stylish, yeah, man. Okay, I got 2 bracelets done. Now I just have to go into the next one. Aren't they fabulous? Yeah! Yes! Let's get opening. We have different ones. We got a flower that's called cherry blossom. 1 flower where cherry blossom flower. Where a bite-sized cupcake. And dun 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 dun. Where a curvy koala. Where elephant. Princess Hot Whale. This is crazy business. I got all whale. It said check out Almighty Beads. First stop I got a heart. Princess Hot. It's a whale. I got another whale. You always get 2 cutie sticks. 1, 2, and the last one, Avocutie. At least I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 whales. This is going crazy, crazy fun, crazy, crazy fun. Can I do it? Last one. Can I do it? Yay! I didn't even drop even once. 3 down, 1 to go. I want to thank you again, Mere Toys, for sending me this gift. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe. Bye.